Hello, Srinivas.
Yeah, guys, this is Manjunath here.
Okay, Manjunath, you are going to tell the class.
Yeah, I am going to take up this class. Okay,
Okay,
and
okay,
let me introduce myself. Uh, I
okay,
am having overall 8 years of experience in SAP. Okay,
okay,
in FICO, I worked in BPC as well. Okay,
okay.
uh, and currently I am working with the MNC company. Okay. Please introduce yourself as well. How many candidates are there?
Two candidates.
Two, is it?
Yeah,
Please introduce yourself.
my name is Muhammad Mudassar Ahmad. And right
Yeah,
now
hi
I'm in
Mohammed.
Saudi Arabia
Mm-hmm.
working as an BIBO consultant.
BIPO consultant, is it? Okay, great.
Yeah. I have past 5 years of experience in this. So I was planning to migrate into BPC further.
Oh, okay, okay,
That's why I'm taking this
okay,
course.
okay, okay. In BI, in which areas you have worked?
FM, PM, IS
Okay,
utilities.
okay, okay, okay. Uh,
Yeah.
okay, great. Uh, one more. Who's there, right?
Pedawo
Hello.
sir.
Yes. This
Hello,
is this is Pedda Babu.
Peda Babu. Yeah, Peda Babu.
Yes. I have 12 years of experience in FICO.
12 years.
8 years.
8 years. Oh, great, great. Mm-hmm.
Yes. I have worked in controlling and finance all modules, and
Oh,
I have hands-on experience on BCS as well.
okay, great, good, good.
Yeah, yeah, that is about me. Currently, I am also in Saudi Arabia.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. This presentation.
Okay.
Okay. Now, before starting the BPC, first we'll speak about the EPM. Okay, what is EPM? Enterprise Performance Management. Now, what exactly the EPM? EPM is a umbrella strategy planning for we have productivity management. From this information management, uh, disclosure management, a lot of things comes under EPM. Okay, EPM. Why EPM comes into picture? Because see, where this whatever the only reporting, and first this is not for the lower people. Okay, if we see the organization structure, all these modules will be useful for reporting for CEOs, CFOs, right, country heads, right, managers. For them, all these modules will be useful. Okay, under this EPM, we have business planning and
Mm.
consolidation. Okay, now in business planning and consolidation, we have two modules. One is planning, and another one is consolidation. Okay. Now, what's about planning? What is consolidation? Now, as you people are come from the BI and the FICO background, definitely you people know that what is planning, right?
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
What
Yes.
is
Yes.
planning,
Yes.
Yes.
right? Now, what is consolidation? Padababu knows that what exactly consolidation, but Ahmad, I will explain what exactly consolidation is. Okay.
Okay.
Now, why we need this consolidation? Consolidation we need for group level financial reporting. Okay. Say for example, I have a Reliance company as my
Okay.
Reliance. Under Reliance company, I have lot of company codes. You do understand SAP terminology because
Yes,
I am
yes, yes.
speaking SAP terminology. Okay,
Yes,
I
yes.
have a number of company codes, right?
Okay,
What happens is at the end of the year, at
okay,
the company level, if you want to see the financial statements, you have to bring all these company codes balance sheets grouped
okay.
together, and you have to prepare one consolidated financial statement. That is my balance sheet, P&L, cash flow, whatever it may be. According to the requirement of the client, we have to prepare the financial statements. When we say financial statements, these three are mandatory.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
this is what consolidation works. Planning, in planning, we have planning, forecasting, okay, which framework my forecast is
But
nothing but forecast.
Manjunath, I want to stop you here. Uh,
Yep,
Actually, my question is, why you are going for this business plan in consolidation? Actually, we can like
yes,
how
BI,
you can ask me. Yes, how you can ask me. Now you are making an income statement, financial statement. You are making in consolidated format. Okay.
correct, correct,
By applying in there is a concept called ADP in BI, like analysis process design. So in
correct,
that, from you have, for suppose in every organization you have many plants, right? Like you have many company codes. What you'll do, you have
exactly.
10 company codes for suppose.
Mhm,
What you'll do in
mhm,
that, that will be in a reporting format. One report, one company code. Okay, we'll take it as an
mhm,
example
mhm.
like this. One company code, one report. One company code. That means 10 reports, 10 company codes. Okay. Now what I
Exactly.
will do by applying some logic in this APD, I
Mhm.
will try to consolidate it in ADP only. So what is the use of business planning and consolidation?
How flexible it is.
How flexible it is,
How
like
flexible it is. How about the performance? How about the user's perspective?
user structure, like now in the business planning and consolidation, you use or in a
Exactly.
tool,
Now
yeah,
it's a tool.
in an Excel level
Yeah.
or a
So,
level. Yeah.
yeah.
Now let me come.
Hmm.
The same thing you will be able to handle by
Hmm.
applying some logic in this ADP only.
Exactly. We can do that. But if it comes to the 1 or 10 company codes, you can do it. But when it comes to 20, 30, 50, 100 company codes, can you do it? How
Uh,
flexible it is?
that might be somewhat time consuming, but one time report.
How can you say a one-time report?
Like we'll be making
It's monthly,
monthly.
quarterly, or annual, depends on, right? If you ask me, yeah, let me complete it. If you ask me about fine, it want eliminations involved. Okay,
Okay,
there will
okay.
be elimination of your intercompany transactions, right? There will be a business rules where you will apply. It's the concept called metadata, right? Of my consolidated balance sheet that be uh, done it from BI,
Okay.
right? Further person had brought this
No, like calculations, exactly calculation you're telling. Like I'm not going into deep, like in
As
the
I
upper
said the
part only.
example, yeah, as I given the example, intercompany elimination, right?
Okay.
Intercompany eliminations can't do using the BI, right? There will
Yes.
be a lot of transactions, and again there will be a lot of calculations that I said is goodwill calculation, right? My
Hmm.
consolidation of investments, all this stuff I can't achieve through BI.
Okay.
That's why they brought this. Earlier to this was BCS. Earlier
Yes.
to BCS it was ECS, right?
Yes.
ECS, BCS, now BPC is advanced. right?
Okay.
All these I can't achieve through BI. Yeah, you can do some bit of calculations using the routines and all those stuff. We can do it, but my main goal I can't achieve through BI. That's why SAP has brought this BPC,
So
right?
you mean to say that this BPC is only used by the company which have like many company codes, not like
Not
a
only
single.
many company codes, not only many company codes. If you want to follow the regulations according to the, if you want to prepare the financial statements according to the US GAAP, IFRS, XBRL reporting, these I can't achieve through BI.
Okay.
It's a integrated single system business planning consolidation. BPC is a single system where it is integrated with different environments. If I
Hmm.
want to prepare the financial statement according to US GAAP, I can't achieve through BI.
Okay.
According to IFRS, I can't. Only financial statement, yeah. But
Okay.
there are a lot of complications, lot of calculations, lot of rules involved in this, lot of regularities involved in this where I want to follow that I can't achieve through BI. So
Uh,
this is separate system where it is integrated system, nothing but my R3 also.
Okay.
Okay?
But I want to ask you one more thing. Like,
Yes,
basically, I'm a technical consultant.
yes, yes.
I won't be having much knowledge in this functional part. So, how good should I be so that I can be flexible in BPC also?
See, this is two ways. As I said, we have planning and consolidation. Now, if you ask me about the consolidation, yeah, consolidation involves a bit of functional. We need functional knowledge, finance background to understand that. Okay. If you
Okay.
know a balance sheet, if you know balance sheet elements, the current assets, current liabilities, all this stuff, you do have understand the entries, debit, credit entries, then that's more than enough. But consolidation involves a little bit higher than this financial statements. That's what I said. We have to follow the regularities
Mhm.
according to IFRS, US GAAP, or local GAAP, right? All
Okay.
this, uh, all this need some FI background. When you talk about the planning, yeah, planning can do everyone. It's a normal our planning you can do in BI as well, right? I feel
Yes.
you might have worked in planning as well,
Yes.
right? So
Planning.
planning for that, yeah, we need some knowledge, but not much. If you
Hmm.
know about the GL cost center, profit center, if you know segment, just hold on, just
Yeah.
one sec. Yeah, Mukta, ವಿನಯ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನ ನೋಡು ವಿನಯ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನ ಓಕೆ
Okay, then what is the purpose of this planning in BPC? Like, do we have any something like good appearance or general reports only? Like how we see in the business objects, graphical representations and all those things.
yeah, that representation you can see using the Excel sheets or BO. Using BO we
Yeah,
can
that is a
prepare that
further part. That is a
yeah.
further part. After connecting to
Graphical, what you
BPC.
what you said is graphical, so I mentioned that. If you speak about this planning, yeah, why planning is, it's a user friendly, which
Okay.
comes with Excel EPM add-in, right?
Okay.
and and you can do the planning at the cost center level, profit center level, segment level. At the
You,
granularity you can
you mean to say
plan.
that the SAP has delivered something standard, right? For planning. Like how we do some customizing is there in in BI side when we go with
Exactly,
this.
standard will be there, but it doesn't fulfill the requirements, so we
Yeah,
will go with the customization itself
that is
and
true.
say
But
allocation.
total
Sorry.
FI in total FI part in from the BI perspective, uh,
Mm-hmm.
I don't feel that BI satisfy total FI. Like some of the custom things we are doing in
We
BI
have
side.
to do, yes. That you can achieve it through BPC. See,
Okay.
there are some drawbacks in BI. That's why they brought this planning and consolidation. See, a lot of versions we have to maintain, lot of say granularity level planning we have to do. Okay, there will be allocations that also we can achieve through planning in BPC, and
Okay.
we can plan at the revenue level, OPEX, operating expense level, HCM, right? All these plannings we can do in BPC. Okay,
Yes.
now you have query, right? Query
Yeah.
designer where you will drag and drop. The same concept has been applied in EPM add-in as well. So
Yeah.
it's user friendly to users where they can right away can go and prepare the reports. They can prepare the input forms. No need of this BI guys.
No need of BI
We can,
consultant, you mean to say.
yes. End users
So,
can work out. They can only
so
prepare the reportings.
So need to ask one question like there will be a tool like how we use like web intelligence something tool is something similar tool is like this is the tool, right? Business planning and
Maybe.
consolidation mean to say.
Yes.
Yeah, web intelligence, how the web intelligence behave similarly this uh, planning and
If,
consolidation tool also is
if you
similar.
ask me from BI point of view, I will say it's a mix of Webby and your query designer and everything.
Yeah, it's a mix of
If you see
then
the
in
tool,
that
right,
thing
you will
in
get
the
to
in the
know you can
consultant no,
you
let me
will get
complete.
to know that yeah, these all these were in BI, but for user point of view, it has been built. You can get to know that
Yeah, the user
once you
will not
see.
be using these tools when we come into picture and the consultants
Yeah,
come into
user will
picture. The
not use these
user
tools.
will not
That's
will
why
use this.
you will
Even
not use the
EPM also,
tools.
or we will be giving the access to the them also.
No, in EPM, we'll give the access to them to prepare the reports, to prepare their input forms
Okay,
according to the requirement. Initially, we will do all the stuff. We'll train them, and later they can do their small reports, input forms, whatever. If they are
okay,
not achievable, then we will get into picture and we will build the reports and the input forms. Initially, when we implement, everything will be done by us only. Later
yeah,
point of view, they can do small reports, input forms, all the comparisons, whatever they will do in normal native Excel, right? All those
yeah.
stuff they can do in EPM as well.
Okay, the complex plan will be doing by the consultant only.
Yeah,
Okay, okay,
if they are very good, if they understood the concept, then if they are good, then they can go ahead with the reporting as well.
okay.
But there will be some constraints on them as well. So in that case, as a support project, we will do all those stuff.
Okay. One of my friend is there, this Pedda Babu. Pedda Babu is in a functional side. So he might not be having that much technical knowledge from BI perspective.
Exactly. We do not need that much technical knowledge. If you understand the info provider, info cube, and your characteristics, right, your info objects,
Yeah.
that's more than enough.
Okay.
What exactly the BPC is? It's whatever BPC NetWeaver, which comes with EPM 10.1. It's a NetWeaver based tool. Okay.
Yeah.
Front end is your NetWeaver tool where you will key in all the data, you will key all the stuff, structuring, everything will be done in tool. But the backend is your database, is your BI.
Yeah.
So that's enough that we can manage with that knowledge. If you know the info provider, info cubes, and your info objects, and how to see the data in RSA1, all those stuff, if you know, just that's it. No need of getting into writing the routines and all those stuff. All those stuff we don't do as a
Mm.
functional consultant, technical consultant. As I said, this BPC involves technical, functional, as well as ABAP will come into picture. right?
Okay.
For
Okay.
some logic for baddies, BI consultants to build the cubes to bring the data from ECC to BI, BI to BPC. Data will flow in this way. ECC to BI, BI to BPC. It's a OLAP. It's not the OLTP. We'll pull the data from
Yeah.
ECC
It is
to
in
BI.
it is in the same it is in the same server, right? It is
Sorry,
in the same server. BPC is in the
same
same server of BI. Same box. Mean to say.
same box. In the sense, I'm not getting your point.
Like ECC
Servers
is a
will be
separate
different.
box.
Different.
BI is a
Yes,
separate
yes,
box.
separate. It's separate only.
But BPC is not a separate box, I think.
BPC as well.
BPC is a separate box.
Separate box in the sense my BI itself is my database, so NetWeaver is separate tool. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
Now, what
So,
happened is, yeah, please go ahead.
yeah, my question is like, what is the percentage of functional in this course? Like, mean to say, I have knowledge. I don't have much knowledge in FI. Mean to say that I have 10 to 20% of knowledge. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
I cannot understand much things in functional side because I'm not from
Correct.
the financial
You do
background.
understand planning, right?
Yeah, I do understand planning, but not completely. Just what the requirement is given to me, I can fulfill that by writing some logic or something like that.
Exactly. This was the same thing. You have to get the requirement from the customer. It's see how exactly BI consultant will comes into picture. I will tell you. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now I have BPC. Okay,
Yeah.
functional consultant will design every cases where I have to pull the data. I can't do that work as a functional consultant. BI will comes into picture. He will build the cubes. He will get the data sources right from ECC to
Okay.
BI. Okay,
Okay.
and he will
Okay.
load the data from ECC to BI, BI to BPC. In BPC,
Okay.
we have some concept called as my data manager packages. All those stuff will be done by BI consultant itself. Okay,
Okay.
if I
Okay.
want to build some, see, when data comes into BI and I want to send to BPC, but while sending to BPC, I want to do some modifications, right? All those stuff as a functional consultant can't do. BI consultant has to work. I don't know data how to get the data sources, extractors from ECC to BI. All those stuff I can't do as a functional consultant. I will give the requirement to the BI consultant. He will work on that. It's a mix of if we are going for implementation, BPC implementation. Definitely we need one BI consultant, BPC consultant, and ABAP consultant. Basis as well. That is mandatory. That we do not need to mention.
Okay.
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 This
One of
is
my
what I given one example. In this way, for BO as well, if the BI consultant is expert in BO, he can build the report in BO also.
okay.
We need one BO consultant as well. If we want to prepare the reports in Excel sheets or some other tools, we need BO consultant as well. For that, again, Bex query has to write to pull the data uh, uh, from this to Excel sheets. All those stuff are involved BA consultant as well.
Okay.
It's
One
not
of
can be done by the BPC consultant.
hello.
Hello,
One of my other friend also joined right now. Anil. His name is Anil.
Anil. Hi, Anil. Manju here.
Hi. Hey, hi. How are you?
Yeah, good. How about you?
Hello. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
Yeah, Anil.
Just I have a question over here. I was hearing your conversations. Okay. So the question
Yes.
what I have is here: are we going to cover the parts like the integration between your BPC and the BO part as well?
No, no. Integration between BPC and BO, I can't.
Okay.
And
Okay,
this
that's
can't be
fine.
done in training. This is it will be on in real time only.
Yeah, I got it on what you're saying, but the thing is like when you say BPC, it's in like now the BPC is integrated with the BI, the BPC is integrated with your BO components, right?
Exactly, exactly.
Okay, fine. That's fine, no issues. We can figure it out that.
Yes, yes. That's we can't manage that in trainings. In real time, definitely we need all those stuff. How about your background, Anil?
I'm an SAP BI and the BO consultant.
Oh, okay, okay. Good. So just shall I go ahead or
Please.
still you have any
Yeah, you can
questions?
go ahead. No, 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 you can go ahead.
Sorry?
Yeah, you can go ahead.
Okay. Um, you can read out the summary. This is a single system where it is integrated with heterogeneous environment. How heterogeneous environment I will show in the further slides. Okay.
Okay.
And this will be used for various tools, CPM tools, right? BI through BEXWAD and other. And as I said, it's integrated with XBRL, which is a separate tool for financial reporting, right? And go ahead. SAP model that offers multi-dimensional platform. Okay, if you ask me from BI point of view, you will have the dimensions in the BPC as well. Okay. Could you go on mute, please? Some disturbance is coming. Okay, what is BPC? SAP model that offers multi-dimensional platform to manage planning, budgeting, forecasting, and financial consolidation in single environment, and which comes with Excel and it's on web services. As I said, it's a NetWeaver portal. So it supports modeling, reporting, dashboards, predictive analytics, and workflow management. It's a, as I said, a heterogeneous type implementation. That's fine. Okay, now BPC terminologies, we call it as environment, models, dimensions, scope, entity, category. These are my dimensions. Okay, what is environment? It's a group of shared metadata like dimensions, configuration, security, and uh, see, you people are from BI background, so just I will go through this like in the BI concepts. Okay, now my environment is nothing but my info provider. Okay, my models is nothing but my info queue. Okay, my dimensions is nothing but my info objects. Right now, whenever I will create the environment in BPC front end, okay, in the backend environment will be created in the BI as well as a info provider. When I create the model, it created as info cube in the BI. When I create the dimension, it will be created as info objects in the BI, right? Okay, and I have dimensions like entity, category, intercompany, flow, audit trail, account, scope. All these are my what I could call as master data. In BI I could call as info object, right? Any questions over here? Okay, member formulas,
I'm
controls, business process flow, works. Sorry. Okay, member formulas, controls, business process flow, work status, drill through. All these are the terminologies. Member formulas will be used for calculations, controls will be used for validation. Okay, what validation? Validation of my data. When it comes to BPC, just I want to see that my assets and liabilities are equal, right? That kind of controls I can use. Business process flow is nothing but my workflow for end users. End users may skip the month-end activities or whatever the activities they have to perform, that I can design in workflow, where they can perform the activities step by step. Okay, work status, where I can slice and dice the data from accessing by the users. Drill through, where I can jump from one system to another system to see the data. Okay, now BPC versions, it started with BPC version 5.6, 5 point some 5.0 version, and it's second version is 7.5, and now 10.1 has been released, which is based on HANA. And now BPC 10 is not on HANA, it's on normal Oracle database, BI database itself. Okay, and these are the differences, that's fine. Okay, this is my architecture, how system sits. Okay, and my BPC will have administration, my Microsoft Office client, web, and others, HTTPS, and this is my architecture, where you can see same way. NetWeaver installed on HANA. This is on HANA. This is on this is on my BI database. This is on my HANA database. Okay, as I said, whenever I will create my models, right? This is consolidation, ownership, planning, rates, account, audit trail. This is my cubes. As I said, whenever I will create my model in BPC, it creates as info cube, right? And my dimensions as info objects. If it is HANA optimized, you can see HANA optimized as info cube. And all the BPC components starts with CPMB slash, right? In BI, it starts with BI slash something, right? The same way in BPC, all the business objects, BI objects will start with CPMB slash. CPMB, if you see, it means to be for BPC. Okay, this is post migration file, push it to HANA for high complex calculations. This is the server where for high performance calculations we'll use HANA. Installed on HANA will be add-ins, all this stuff, right? And as I said, how data will flow, data can flow from a heterogeneous environment. It may be from SAP or some other third parties. From flat file also I can push the data, right? This is my BI and delta installation, where I will push the data. Delta means I will push the delta load to BPC. This is my BPC cube, right? It can be through from heterogeneous. It can be integrated with the other softwares as well. Okay, I can push the data from flat file as well, right? These are my extractors, my data sources, 0FIGL, O10, all these are my sources from R3. Okay, the same way what we use the process chain in BI, right? We'll use the process chain in BPC as well. Okay, this process chain I will assign in my data manager package. We have a concept called as data manager package. Whenever I want to load the data from BI, okay, from ECC, data will sit in BI. If you see this, from ECC I will pull the data to BI. Okay, from BI to BPC I will pull the data using data manager package, right? Data manager, how data manager package works? Okay, how data manager works? In data manager I will assign my process chain. This process chain will be created by BA people only. I can't create. As a functional consultant, we can't. Now here, as I said, BI consultant will comes into picture, right? After creating this process chain, I will assign in my data manager package, and I will run that data manager package to pull the data from BI to BPC. Nothing but what you called it as a scheduling or something like, right? Where you will trigger the data to pull the data from BI to BPC, right? This is landscapes, BI landscape one now. Now business consolidation is having web portal, BI designers and EPM, right? These are the authorizations which we must have for BPC, okay? And this is my where this is the administration, okay, where you can create your structure, dimensions, models, security, all this stuff, okay. This is the NetWeaver portal where when you log into this, it will show, okay, this is the optimization, full optimization, light optimization, all this, right. BPC implementation setup, EPM Excel add-ins, modeling for, and these are the troubleshooting programs where I will use if I have any problems. Okay, how the BPC setup, it starts with basis stream, and post installation we have to run some programs. Okay, after that we have to structure. This is my CPM. This is my if you see this it's environment shell which comes with the standard. Okay, apart from that, this is my info provider. These are my info queues. These are my info objects, as I said, right, which starts with my CPME technical name. Okay, this is my portal. Okay, this is the architecture, legal consolidation model, cost center planning, profit center planning. Apart from that, we have a number of plannings, HCM planning, revenue
Yeah.
planning. Yes, yes.
Yeah, sorry to disturb you. Do you have any course
Yeah.
content? Do you have
Course
any course content?
content.
Yeah, what all will be covered in this training session? Something like that?
As of now, I don't have. I will
No, no,
share
I'll
with
send you.
the.
Manjunath, I'll
With,
send you the content for that.
sorry. How is it?
Because I think means if you can go through that one, right, that will be more better because we will be there are many things. I do understand that there are many things in BPC, but just what I would like to know is like what all the things that we are going to cover in this training session that will be giving us a brief idea like.
Yeah, exactly. Srinivas, I don't have it.
No, no, I'll send it. I'll send later. I'll send you.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Srinivas will share across with you.
Yeah.
This is my planning functionalities. Right. This is the retraction. There are the scenarios where I have to retract the data from BPC to BI. Sorry, BPC to ECC. Now, say for example, cost center planning. I will do cost center planning in the BPC, and again, I don't want to repeat the same planning in ECC. So what I can do is I can retract from BPC to ECC as well. Okay, now this is the consolidation. Hello.
The point what you are saying retraction, can you just repeat once that? What exactly you are saying?
Retraction is nothing but from BPC, I will plan the data at the cost center level. Okay, in BPC, I will plan data cost center level. Okay. Now in SAP in R3 also, I will plan the cost center planning. Okay.
Right.
Now I don't want to repeat the job, right? Anyhow, I am planning in the higher level at the BPC only, that I want to retract from BPC to ECC R3.
That means because BPC doesn't hold any data, that means ultimately it stores in the BW only. From there, you will be loading the data to ECC, right?
Exactly, exactly.
Okay.
BPC doesn't hold the data. BA itself is a database, but the process should go from BPC.
Oh,
It starts from BPC only, retraction. Because all the planning I will do in BPC only, right?
yeah, means the content,
So
what all the
data will
entries
sit
you
in.
do it, planning, ultimately you will be doing it BPC only, like add-on tools, what all you have in BPC. Ultimately, the data is
Exactly.
stored in your BW system, InfoCubes, right?
Exactly. From BW to SAP. Okay. Now, what's the process and functions of consolidation? See, my consolidation starts with my data collection, right? Data collection from info provider, file uploads, or input templates, whatever, right? I will collect the data from R3, right, of different company codes for reporting purpose. Now, after collection, I have to see that I have to validate that data is correct or not. Then I have to do the retained earning calculation, nothing but my net profit calculation, right? After that, I have to convert my data to group currency. My group currency, say for example, is USD, and my all the data is in different company codes will have different currencies because they are from different countries, right? That I have to bring it to group currency, right? Reclassification is nothing but where I want to do some uh, say for example, as per the requirement of the IFRS or cash flow statement, if I want to prepare, I want to group some accounts under one account, right? All those stuff kind of reclassification I can do using the reclassification function. Intercompany eliminations, as I said, we'll have the intercompany transactions between company code 1, company code 2, company code 3. That all intercompany transactions I will not take it into consolidation reporting. That I have to eliminate, right? Consolidation of investments, as I said, consolidation of investments is for to identify your goodwill, to identify your minority interest, right? Where my consolidation of investment it would be in purchase method or equity method or proportionate. It depends on the investment structure, right? Finally, the reporting of my consolidated financial statements, right? Should be your IFRS or your consolidation, your US GAAP or local GAAP, whatever the gaps they follow, which your clients will follow, right? Planning, budgeting, and forecasting, version copy, currency translation, allocations, distributions, revaluations, rolling forecast, data retraction, consolidation of plan and budgets, reporting. This is what the planning functions we follow in, right? All this we are going to cover, but rolling forecast, data retraction, everything is in real time. How harmonized is this web interface that you can see? Okay, data you can feed from different heterogeneous environment to BPC. So SAP standard provides these contents, my financial consolidation reports, input templates, configuration, master transaction, business. All this stuff will comes with the standard once you install it. Okay, logic script is nothing but where for calculations, say for example my revenue calculation, my allocations, or my any calculations. If I want to do all those, I will for all those I will use script logic. Apart from that, I have some uh, standard script logics where I will use for currency translation, consolidation, right? This is where my presentation ends. Apart from this, if you have any queries, please shoot out.
how much will be the duration of this project?
Duration will be 6 weeks. 6 weeks.
This will be annual.
Can you tell me in hours?
2 days a week. Sorry.
Can you tell me in hours?
Yeah, around 36 hours. 36 hours,
Okay,
40
fine.
hours.
Okay, and in this, like how many planning scenarios, how many consultation scenarios that we will be covering?
Consolidation will have legal consolidation that I could cover,
Okay.
and planning, OPEX planning, cost center planning, revenue planning. That all I can cover.
Apart from finance, do you also give any like sales planning, HR planning, something like that? Product planning?
Yeah, product planning, sales planning we can do. That's not revenue planning is nothing but my sales planning. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Anything else?
That's it from my end. If you can send me across this course content, then like I would like to just go through the course content, what all the things that we are going to cover.
Yeah, definitely. That Srinivas will send across to you people. Okay.
Yeah, hello, Kumar.
After the
And
training,
what about keyword?
Hello, Kumar, can you
Sorry,
hear me? I'm Srinivas. Hello,
who's this?
hello,
Yeah.
Kumar. Kumar, I'm Srinivas.
Yeah, Srinivas.
Yeah, rather than any other doubts, do you have now?
As of now, no.
Okay.
we can practice. Do you provide any server for
Yes,
us?
yes, yes. We'll provide you the access. Yes, yes. What about Ahmed? And what about Sadababu?
Yeah, it's me.
Yes, Babu. Yeah, everything is fine. Or do you have any queries?
No queries. No queries.
Okay. What
How
about
about the
Ahmed?
timings, guys? Srinivas, just let us know the timings. Just what exactly the
Yeah,
timing you
timings.
would
I
like to
think
do.
Friday and Saturday we need to see plan for the sessions. Manjunath?
Friday and Saturday, is
Yeah.
it?
See, what time you are free on Friday? Saturday we don't have any problem.
Friday
Yeah.
and Saturday. Saturday is holiday, is it?
Yes.
For you people?
Friday and Saturday holiday for them, Manjunath.
Ah, okay, okay. Friday and Saturday is holiday, is it?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Okay, Friday we'll take in night.
Okay.
Okay, and Saturday we'll take it in the morning. 3 hours. Is
Yes.
it fine, guys?
Yes. Yes. Okay, I'll send you the timing schedule, Manjunath. Okay, I'll send it to you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Sure, sure.
you can leave now. Okay.
Yeah, thanks a lot, guys.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Have a nice day. Yeah, have a nice day.
Yeah. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Ahmad is disconnected, Kumar. So, see, what time we can make it? See, can we start this training from this weekend or next weekend?
Srinivas, just send me the course content, okay? And based on that, I will talk to Ahmed and let him know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I'll send the content. Okay. Please go through that and let me know.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thanks.
Thanks, guys.